Heather McLaren with your 5 at 5 in Tucson, Arizona. Today's topic, how to get your house ready to sell. Factor 1, time. How much time do you have to get an offer on your home? It takes about 30 days to close once you have an offer, possibly more for certain types of loans. So how long do you have to wait for an offer? How long is it on average taking homes of your size in your market to get offers? That will affect not only your pricing and marketing strategy, but a number of other things related to the sale, and it's pertinent for you to know. Number 2, money. Do you have any money to put into the home pre-sale to make it more valuable when you list it? Do you have any money during the transaction if you're asked for any type of repairs? And how much money do you need to get out of this transaction? How much do you need to clear? And a clear understanding of the expenses of the sale price so you know if you are going to net enough to meet your goals. And is the current housing market and economy, is it realistic to get out of it what you need, or will you get more than you need? All this is going to frame how you structure and market your property and how you price it as well. So these are really important questions: time, money, and also number 3, home value. Are you going to be able to get out of this sucker what you need to get out of it for your life goals? Properly evaluating home value, not just based on neighbors' homes, but on comparable property of comparable size, of comparable condition. And we're going to do some videos in the future about how you do this. There's different ways to look at it. There's different styles and manners of doing comps. There's square footage comparisons. There's a whole video we can get into on this. But properly evaluating the value of your home and what it could sell for is a really key component to prepping for a sale. Number 4, you're going to want to look at the actual cost to sell a home. On the one extreme, it could be spending money to make your home more valuable pre-sale, or even paying for out-of-pocket expenses for buyers, which are very common. But on the other hand, it could be not putting any money into your home and having any money that's required for repairs come out of escrow, or even selling your home without any repairs. And you're going to want to explore all the expenses involved to make sure that final number ends up being what you need. Number 5, marketing strategy. Once you've looked at time, money, what your home is worth in the current housing market, and the expenses involved, you're going to be able to develop an effective marketing strategy for your home, given the average time it takes a home like yours to get an offer in this current market, and all the other factors. How much time do you have to wait? How much money can you put into it? And what kind of expenses are you looking at, and how are you going to shape all that to fit your needs? This is something a real estate professional can help you with, or something you can do on your own. But it's important to assess these 5 factors and come up with a good marketing strategy to meet all of your goals given the current economy and housing market. Stay tuned next time. We are going to talk a little bit more about how you can get the most money for your house if that is your goal. We're also going to have later videos on how to do comps, as well as exploring the myth of 20% down is required when purchasing a home. And we're going to be sitting down again with Mr. Ryan Fitzgerald of Long Mortgage. Thanks so much for tuning in to the 5 at 5.